Hello everyone. The next topic is water demand, the same topic as in the previous video, but the previous exam questions, repeated questions I've discussed here. And in the previous theory part, if you have seen many questions, you can answer now itself. Water supply and treatment engineering. Topic is water demand. So these are the questions which are asked in the previous years. I've mentioned it here. The SSC JE 2008. Similarly, I've mentioned it in each and every after each and every question. So water supply includes collection, transportation, and treatment of water, distribution of water to consumers, provision of hydrants for firefighting, all the above. The answer is all the above. The total water requirement of a city is generally assessed on the basis of maximum hourly demand, maximum daily demand plus fire demand, average daily demand plus fire demand, greater of A and B. The answer is greater of A and B. The total water demand may be taken as total water demand they have asked. So there are different options. In the previous video, I've told you total water demand is 270 LPCD. If they have asked for domestic purpose, then it is 135 LPCD. So now the answer for this question is 270 LPCD. The distribution system in water supply is designed on the basis of average daily demand, peak hourly demand, coincident of draft, greater of B and C. The answer is greater of B and C. As per Indian standard specifications, the peak discharge for domestic purposes per capita per minute is taken as 1.8 liters for 5 to 10 users, 1.2 liters for 15 users, 1.35 liters for 20 users. All options are correct. All options are correct is the right answer. On peak hourly demand, what is the maximum daily consumption for the city which have average daily consumption of 1 lakh meter cube? This problem is also solved in the theory part. So 1 lakh into 2.7 gives the maximum daily consumption. So it is 2,70,000 is the right answer. The population of a city in 3 consecutive years by using geometrical increase method, use formula Pn is equals to P naught into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So you can solve the problem in the previous video. If you just watch it, you can have the idea of solving this. For which of the following distributions means is designed? So distribution means is designed on the basis of maximum hourly demand on maximum day. So the right answer is maximum hourly demand on maximum day. So as per Indian standards, the water consumption per capita per day for domestic purpose is 135 liters. A conventional flow duration curve is a plot between flow and percentage time flow is exceeded. So the right answer is flow and percentage time flow is exceeded. When was the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act enacted by the Indian Parliament? It is the right answer is 1974. Consider the following statements. The daily per capita consumption of water apparently increases with higher standard of living of people, availability of sewerage in the city, metered water supply, wholesome and potable quality of water. The right answer is D. That is high 1, D. 1, 2, and 4 is the right answer. 1, 2, and 4. So match list 1 with the list 2. So what is the quantity of water needed in kiloliter per unit per day for the industry production? The right answer is for the automobile it is 40, and for the leather it is 4, and for paper it is 200 to 400, and for crude oil it is 1 to 2. Right answer is A. Which one of the following acts or rules has a provision for no right to appeal? That is Environmental Protection Act 1986 is the right answer. For water supply to a medium town, what is the daily variation factor? Daily variation factor is 1.5. A water supply distribution system for an averagely populated township to be designed for. The right answer is D, maximum daily demand and fire demand, or maximum hourly demand, whichever is higher. Which one of the following factors has a maximum effect on figure of per capita demand of water supply of a given town? That is demand high, which has the highest maximum effect on figure of per capita demand is industrial demand. The right answer is industrial demand. So the ratio between peak hourly water demand and maximum daily demand is 1.5. Which of the following method is used to forecast the population of old and very large cities is arithmetical increase method? Which department looks after the execution and maintenance of water supply and sanitary works is Public Works Department? Which type of drainage system will collect the rainwater? Primary. The formula Pn is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n is used for forecasting geometrical increase method. The water which is safe and potent for drinking to human health is known as wholesome water. As per IS 1172/1963, water required per head per day for average domestic purposes is approximately equal to 135 liters. The purpose of best managed water work is by reducing the losses. What is the peak factor of population above 2 lakh is? The peak factor is 2. Which range of population having the rate of demand in 180 to 210 liters per capita per day is 2 lakh to 5 lakh. The design period recommended by GOI for storage reservoirs dams is 30 years. The per capita demand of water is calculated in liters for per person per day. Freeman formula for estimating the fire demand Q in liters per minute is given by Q is equals to 1135 P by 5 plus 10. So thank you. And this is the question paper questions which I've got and I've collected and taken the screenshot, and then I've arranged it here like this. So in the next video, I'll be doing the continuation part of water supply and treatment engineering. Thank you.